It's crispy, it's crunchy, it's juicy and flavorful. And it's called chicken karaage. Served with a special creamy dipping sauce, it's decadence in every single bite. The Japanese know how to make a good fried chicken. But will this Japanese favorite be as loved in India as it is in Japan? Watch till the end to find out. Horns up and welcome to a brand new episode of Headbangers Kitchen. Folks, smash that like button if you love fried chicken. And let me know in the comments which is your favorite fried chicken in the whole world. Now for me, chicken karaage is one of the best. I'm talking top 3 and I can't wait to show you how to make it. But I don't normally like to deep fry things at home, but recently I made orange chicken. Click here on the I button if you haven't seen that video, and since I had the deep frying oil out, I said let's fry up some chicken karaage. Anyway, enough jibber jabber, let's get cooking. Boneless chicken thighs with skin are the only acceptable chicken part for chicken karaage. But since I'm not the chicken police, if you use chicken breasts, I can't stop you. We start by trimming any excess fat and bone and skin that might be on the thighs, and then you want to cut nice biggish pieces. Remember, chicken shrinks quite a bit when it's fried because it loses a lot of moisture and the meat contracts. So don't cut very tiny pieces, nice big meaty mouthfuls. Once that's done, it's time to marinate the chicken, and we start with a little bit of salt, a lot more black pepper, some yum powder, if you know you know, garlic and ginger, grate the ginger, then grate the garlic. Couple of tablespoons of soya sauce, some mirin, which is a type of rice wine, and some cooking sake. And then give it all a good mix and let this marinate for at least 30 minutes if not longer. To make our creamy dipping sauce, we use some Kewpie mayo, which is a Japanese mayonnaise made with egg yolk only, toasted sesame oil, some togarashi powder, and then give that a good mix. Can't forget to add the lemon juice, so add that in as well and give it all a good mix. And our delicious creamy dipping sauce for the karaage is ready. Potato starch is what we will be using to coat our chicken karaage for the maximum crispiness. So I open up my packet of flour and put it in a bowl. Then I add my chicken into the potato starch, give them a good toss, shake off any excess and then lay them out on a tray. So get all your chicken nicely coated and ready, and then we're going to head over and fry them. Got my saucepan on the stove and I heat up my oil to fry. I use a thermometer to check the oil temperature, and once it's nice and hot, I drop in that chicken karaage. And now I let it cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. Since these are boneless thighs, they cook fairly quickly. Once they are done, onto a wire rack they go, and then I fry another batch. Let's just enjoy watching that chicken be deep fried. Once it's crispy and cooked, remove it and set it on the rack. Now we just plate up our karaage, which I serve with a bit of lime and some coriander for garnish because I was too lazy to go and buy parsley. And that's pretty much it. Our karaage and dipping sauce are ready. Of course, you got to dip that karaage in the sauce and then dive right in. I'll also show you that cross section, and look how juicy that chicken is. I mean, I couldn't resist and I had to dive right in and wolf down that chicken. It was juicy AF. So delicious. But will it appeal to the Indian palate? Enough jibber jabber, I say. Let's go find out.
I'm here for the food.
Awesome. So have you ever eaten Japanese food?
No.
Never?
Sushi and baos, that's about it.
Not many times, but yes, definitely I have tried.
Yeah, I love Japanese food, ramen especially. Sushi, traditional sushi, not a fan. But tempura sushi, yes.
So I've had Japanese food before, not that much because I'm not that big of a fan. But yeah, I've had sushi, ramen, karaage, tempura, stuff like that.
Okay, so you have had karaage before.
Yeah, I've had.
And do you like chicken karaage?
The idea of it is very appealing to me because I love chicken, but the one I had wasn't worth the hype.
I've had it once. Not bad. I mean, anything fried is okay.
Chicken karaage, I'm not pretty sure, but I might have tasted, but I'm not aware. At least I've not heard of it.
And have you ever heard of chicken karaage?
On your stories, I have.
Awesome. And do you have any idea what chicken karaage will taste like?
Delicious. Wow, that's very good fried chicken. Can I eat all 3 pieces?
All 3 are for you.
Oh, damn.
It's like a burst of flavors. Even this has its own taste. Like even though if I don't take the sauce along with it or dip, it actually has its own taste. It's crunchy on outside and soft and like juicy on inside. I can see that.
This is so good. I love it.
Yeah, I like this better. Yeah, this is much better than that.
The chicken karaage I've had previously was like, it did not have a very crunchy exterior. It used to get soggy. But I think this is great. Perfect monsoon snack, I guess.
Did you make this?
Yeah. So on a scale of 1 to 10, how much would you rate this chicken?
Like a 7.5, 8?
An 8.5.
Definitely 8 because I find it perfect.
I'll give 10 on 10. I'm very happy.
Alright guys, the Japanese chicken karaage is a hit. And I hope you guys are going to try this recipe at home. And I will see you on the next episode of Headbangers Kitchen. Until then, cheers and keep cooking. And a big thank you, Miso, to all the people who support me on my YouTube channel memberships and Patreon. You make all these videos possible. You are all awesome. And if you'd like to support me on Patreon or the channel memberships, the links are in the video description box just below this video. I'm going to go to eat now while Miso sits here and drools over the chicken karaage. Does Miso want some chicken? Okay, you get a small piece, okay? Without the coating. There you go. Good boy, Miso. What a good boy. Okay, bye.